Hey everybody, this is Peter with BibleMoneyMatters.com. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Mission battery shell for Amazon Echo. It's a battery that slips on over the Amazon Echo to make it portable, so you can bring it out in the yard or on the deck or wherever. So let's take a look. Okay, so here we have the Mission battery shell for Amazon Echo. Make your Echo portable by simply sliding it into the battery shell. Rugged and extended battery life version, up to 8 hours of portable playtime. And this particular version is the black hard shell. Again, you're just going to be slipping your Echo into the shell, and once you do that, you can plug it in, and if you want to take it outside or whatever, you just unplug it and bring it on out, and you should be good to go. So let's take a look here. Mission battery shell for Amazon Echo. Here are the instructions on setting it up, how it works. Place your existing shell with the battery shell. Connect Echo power, and the battery will charge. And from there, you just disconnect the power adapter from the battery shell, and you can have continuous play during the transition. You don't have to wait while it goes to battery power or something like that. It automatically switches, and you can continue listening to music while you do that. So, something to note: this battery shell is only for the second generation Echo, not for the original. I have the original version as well in my office. This will not work with that. It'll only work with that one right there. So let's open the box up, see what we've got inside. First of all, we have the thank you for your purchase, and it's a quick start guide telling you what to do, how to install that. Let's put that to the side for now. There's a little adapter. I'm assuming this is for the power. Probably goes into the power port for the Echo and then into the battery shell, I'm assuming, but we'll look at that later. Take that out. Alright, so that's basically everything in there. So what you see here says right there, Mission. It has 3 LED lights there that'll light up once it's charging. And back here, that's where the power port for the Amazon Echo is going to show through, as well as the audio out if you want to use that, the auxiliary out. And then you have the power right there. Ooh, looks like we have a little bit of a charge already, even though we've never used this before. So let's put that there. You can see the battery is going to be down on the bottom here. So you're going to be sliding this in, and it's going to be basically looking like almost like the first generation Echo, almost as tall. So let's take a look and see how to do it. First of all, we're going to remove the Echo from its shell, and this is what you have left over for the second gen Echo. You can see the speaker in there. You've got just the speaker itself, and the shell is all done there. Alright, so then we're going to slide this in. Alright, so you can see it's slid in just fine right there. And there is now our Echo inside of the Mission battery shell. Alright, so I think we're all set to go with that. Now it says to plug in the cable, connect the small power cable right here, so you can see that, between the left side port on the battery shell and Echo power port. Connect Amazon power adapter to the right side port. Turn on the battery shell by pressing the button number 3. Alright, so what we're doing here is connecting that like so, and then the power for the Echo goes into this port here. And once we do that, we turn it on. Alright, so let's put that back in frame. Alexa. There it is, it's powering up with the battery power that we had in there already. Alright, let's give it a try. Alexa, tell me a joke.
What do bakers and sunbathers have in common? They don't like to burn their buns.
Oh, don't like to burn their buns. Okay, so let's take a look here. Let's try some music. Alexa, play some classical music.
Here's a station for classical music. Classical Focus from Amazon Music.
So there it is. We now have battery power for the Amazon Echo. So all we had to do, put the Echo inside of the device, plug in this power right here, and to recharge it we'll plug in the power cord right there, and you can turn it off and on with the power button there. And so now we have a fully portable Amazon Echo 2nd generation. And again, this is kind of nice here. You have the rubberized non-slip grip right here with the battery shell, which is nice. You can put it down on a table outside. It's not going to slip off the table and fall down or anything like that. It'll have a nice firm rubberized grip. So very cool. Check it out, the Mission battery shell for Amazon Echo. There it is. Check it out.